Now let's talk about product characteristics and classification. First, there is product characteristics. It refers to the attributes of a product that differentiate it from the competition. There are dimensions of product characteristics. First is physical attributes. It includes the tangible features like size, shape, and materials used in a product. Second is functional attributes. It includes the quality, durability, and reliability of a product. Third is symbolic attributes. It includes the brand and design that creates a sense of status or identity. Fourth is the core product. It includes the basic benefit that it offers to the customers. And fifth is augmented product. It includes additional services or benefits such as warranties and after-sales support. Now we will proceed with product classification. It classifies products in terms of use, target customers, and industry. The first classification is consumer products. These products are intended for the personal consumption of the consumers. It has different types. First is convenience products. It is frequently purchased with minimal effort, such as snacks and toiletries. Second is shopping products. It is being compared in terms of quality, price, and in style. Examples are clothes and gadgets. Third is specialty products. These are normally expensive products that consumers really think before buying. Examples are house and luxury items. And fourth is unsought products. These are products that consumers don't normally buy. Examples are insurance and funeral service. The second product classification is industrial product. These are products that are used for production or resale. The first type of this is materials and parts. These are raw materials used in production. Examples are wood and steel. Second is capital items. These are machineries or equipment used in production. Third is supplies and services. These are products that are used daily in production. Examples are office supplies and maintenance services. Thank you and happy learning.